Hey digicians, sale, purchase, invoicing, billing, GST records are being integral part of every business nowadays. And these all activities, these all tasks cannot be done without having a application software. So in this video, I have a very easy to use, very easy to set up and full featured application software that you can use for your business, or you can provide the same to your prospective clients as a solution software application solution provider. On this channel Digician, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which we can start our own digital business, and even we can start using the web very efficiently. So I have a very great solution in this video. So if you are really willing to have a solution for all automation regarding billing, invoicing and inventory management, watch this video until end, and even you can use this application software for starting up a digital business. This is Delta POS that we are going to overview in this video. This is a dedicated and web hosted invoicing, billing, inventory management with GST and CRM system, and it costs only $29. Yes, in $29 you are going to get the quality check by Envato itself, the future updates of this application, 6 month support from the application developer who are web magics, and they are elite author at the CodeCanyon.net in Water Market. You can simply buy the solution through the video description link, and once you buy the solution, you can get in touch with us so that we may install it for you. However, the app package comes with all guide. You can do it simply. You just need to have a shared hosting or any hosting where you want to host the solutions. Okay, so my main focus is to show you all the functionalities, all the data flow in this video so that you may understand how it is really going to help you in your business or for your client. Okay, so this is dashboard. I'm going to show you different login screens. So first of all, I am showing you the admin, super admin. Consider yourself as the owner of this solution. I'm in super admin. So suppose you are logged in here, and this is the dashboard which is showing the pending sales orders, completed sales order, the basic things what is going inside the system that you can check in a very quick view, in a glimpse here, and even come to know what is going through the system. So this is being the admin, and the setup screen is important part for onboarding on the system. So I'll start with the setting screen where you have to set up the app, that is application. So this is completely a white label solution. You can keep it the solution, you can rename the solution name at your own, and like you can change this Delta POS with your own application name. You can upload your logo, email settings is required for communicating in the system. Further, you can use the SMS alerts as well. So these are basic settings that you need to do for onboarding on the system to start using the system. And after you complete all these settings, you can start using the solution. First of all, I can see the contact screen where we have the customers. Uh, of course, a business runs with a customer. So we have, first of all, customer list here, and we can check all the details of customer. We can delete, copy, Excel, or even PDF value. So, you can export data, and you can even import the data if you are having multiple customer details in a sheet or so. So, you can create new customer by filling this form. Easy to use form in form of retailer or wholesaler, and the first name, last name, and all the basic details can be filled up here, and credit and balance can also be filled here, to pay, to receive. So with this screen basically is for creating the customers. Okay, so similarly we have suppliers as well, so we can create new supplier. Since this is a CRM system as well, so we need to create all these things just in case if we need to use such modules. However, the main functionalities of this system is to add purchase or to add sales or POS. So I'll start basically with POS, point of sale. That is going to help you in running your store. Like if you are having a store like the pharmacy store, electronics store, garments store, mobile stores, service sale or general store or whatever store it may be. So you can use this POS system at your store for billing activities. Like so this is the POS, and you can check the uh, you can open this screen and you can add the items here without any trouble, and you can select the customers as well. So you can add item, and for the like these are the items being added here. So you can check the badge number, serial manufacturer as applicable as you paid during the upload of products that you are selling. And further billing can be done like save and print option is here and the save option is here. So billing activity is totally here, and you can use the this system for the billing, creating bill, online bill, or you can say the printed bill mechanism and all. So this can be directly used at the store. Okay, so I'm coming back to the dashboard. Similarly, we have add sale option here. So we can add a new sale here by selecting the new customer. You can add a new sale, a sale code, and also details can be filled, and you can add a new sale here, and further you can submit the data once you complete all the fields. And we can similarly add the purchase as well. So these are the parameters. These are the credentials that we need to fill for adding a purchase in the system. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard, so context we discussed, sale. So we have multiple type of sale like point of sale. I have already shown you. Further, we can go for invoices. We can create invoices like create sale, and we can create invoice as well. Like when we are creating a sale, it is in fact generating an invoice. So the payment method can be selected here like amount, and the payment type, like you can have the payment, whatever the payment mechanism you are using, you can select here and you can set up here. So it is very easy to use interface, of course. Further, for quotations, we have this screen. We can create new quotations, and details can be filled for quotations, and the quotation will be generated. Payment in details can be checked here, and all the details of payment in will be shown here. Similarly, sale order can be seen, and the sale return and the credit note can be seen here. So sale return and credit note you can generate here in case you need to do from this screen. Further, we have purchase screen. On the purchase screen, we have purchase bills, purchase payment out, and the purchase order. Further, we can generate a purchase return note, and yes, all these things. Now, coming to the items, this is the items that we can sell at our store. So you can create new items, add new items, or even import items in bulk. So you can put the details of item like name, HSN, SKU, the brand or the item code, category, whatever you are selling here. And you can add unlimited items. Further, the pricing, stock, and image you can check. So you are even maintaining the stock and an inventory here when you are uploading the item. So this can be a regular item, the batch tracking, or the serial number tracking item. So okay, great. So this is item adding screen. Similarly, you can create the categories for the items in which you are dealing at your store. Further, we have brand list. We can create brands. So simply by filling the brand details here. In the next screen, I have the expense, where we can see the expense list, the category list, and the subcategory list. In the next module, we can check the core modules, which is the cash and bank, like cash in hand can be checked here. What is the amount status, and further we can export the data. We can select date range, and the cash adjustment option is also here. So like add cash, reduce cash, and the amount and note can be added like for cash in hand status. The check details can be seen here. Similarly, we have the bank details that we can hit, and we can add new bank accounts here. So, of course, we can add bank and the bank account number, bank, IFC, and all. Great. So, the currency list, in case if you are dealing in multiple currencies, so in this application is offering the solution in multiple currencies, so you can choose to set your own currency. Okay, right. So the app setting that I have already shown you. Okay, cash, the cashing bank, warehouse. Yes, okay. So the warehouse application is here. So warehouse module, like this is a CRM solution as well. So warehouse option, the stock transfer option, the utilities like import items, and the import context. So we can import the data in bulk using this utility screen. Further, we have users, like how many users are using the system, user profiles, user, and further we can set up the user roles as well. So what is the user role, like role name, purchase, sales, and you can edit the action, like you can edit the user rules, what actually a user can do with the system, like if it is a purchase role, you can create your own role, and you can allow the permissions what they can access, what particular user can access. This is very important screen when you are creating multiple users and your application software is being handled by multiple users. Okay, right. So similarly, we have SMS, like create SMS. We can create SMS if SMS gateways is configured. You can use the bulk SMS, and the templates of SMS can be created. Similarly, we have the email creation screens. We can create emails and send emails from the system, templates of email, and the reports, of course. So this is our CRM solution. So we have all the reporting system as well. So we can check the reports like select warehouse and all. And profit and loss report is here. Similarly, the item transaction batch wise reports can be seen, and the serial IMEI general reports. So this is very good, of course. So purchase report, sale report, due payment, and the customer reports. Reporting is, of course, an integral part of every good application software. So reporting is here very comprehensive. So supplier reports, I can see the expense transaction GST 1 and GSTR 2. Okay, great. So these all reports can be seen here. Similarly, we have a stock transfer and a stock report, expired item reports, reorder item reports. Okay, this is also very good. So all these things are very, very useful in this application software, and it makes the application as a complete solution for this POS invoicing and billing, even for maintaining GST compliances. Okay, right. So now I'm taking you to the another screen. Like now I'm logged in as seller. So seller is also having the same modules, but yes, the access is limited. So like customer sales, items, cash and bank, warehouse, the users, SMS, reports and settings are the basic application that a seller can access. Since you being the super admin, you can decide what are the permissions allowed to seller or any other type of user. Now, and just for example, I'm showing you another login. So this is the login of a purchase. I mean, if the purchase manager is here, purchase manager can access certain things like purchase bills, payment out, purchase orders, and like PO orders can be seen here, the items and the cash and bank utilities, depending upon the feature and the permissions what has been granted to the user. So I think this makes very sensible uh, application, because when we are allotting the system, when we are configuring the system, we can decide which area, which modules is to be accessed by certain type of users. So this is very good. And I can see the dark mode is also here in case if you love the dark mode of application, so it is here. So I feel this is very, very simple and easy to use application software that you can use and even start selling for your digital business, and it is going to be available in just $29. So you can simply calculate in additional, like additional expense can be hosting charges and $29. So under $100 it is going to be your uh, solution, like you can sell. So you are definitely going to earn a good money, or you are, if you are using at it at your own, it is definitely going to be a very easy to use and simple application software for you. So this is Laravel West application by elite author, and you can check all the details mentioned here on the listing, like POS. So features are here, AGPOS, product and services, seller order, and all these details is given here. So you can read all the details, and you can also access the application here through the same link that I used. So let us meet in the next video, and let us discuss in the next video what additional things, what the next digital business we can opt to launch. And I'm sure you are watching the videos coming on this channel regularly, and uh, definitely planning to launch a digital business using these applications, because once you have a digital asset with you, you are definitely uh, going to run a solution that can earn for you. Okay, so let us meet in the next video. Let us discuss more things coming in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.